Cakiri. Ninga do. Soko bañe. Papek nga gën sa ñaw.
Hello?
Hello?
Who is speaking?
It's me, Aaron.
Ha, why are you calling me with another number?
I have been calling you since and you refuse to pick my calls.
I refuse to pick your own call number.
Yes, because you are owing me.
Ha. Are you the only person I'm owing? Are you the only person? Do you know people that is owing me?
Please, I need my money and I want to say my account number right away.
Now what happened?
I want to say my account number right away.
I will not see it. My phone screen break.
Oh, your screen break. How then did you not know that I'm doing calling with another number?
How did I see what?
That I'm doing calling with another number.
The number that is called is by the grace of God.
Let that grace of God show you my account number.
Grace of God doesn't work on account number.
Hello, badi mandinko. Assalamu alaikum. Lafta mandinka video kela. Ka foko. I am on a healing journey. And I want to share it with the whole community for anybody that is interested. One thing that you should do in the morning or evening before you go to bed is yela stress be and ila mirror be empty. Ka try ke from force pour ite mirror sotola. I know it's doable, but it takes a couple of practice. The first few times it's gonna be like almost impossible. Neither you are interested, let me know and comment below. Make video killer on my YouTube channel about it. Nga explain and I'll back try la inshallah. It's gonna work. Ye try ye la mirror tala. Ye try ye present. You know, just try ye present. It's difficult, but like I said, at first it's difficult, but try to be calm and don't look at anything, don't watch anything. Part 2 anyway. Hello guys, part 2. So kanyinke, try a tara somewhere that is very quiet. Either it's in your room or in the bathroom or anywhere you are, but it's better when you are sitting or lying down. Ye try ye la telephone ke notification nyim bondi wala stuff like this. Ka just stay. I don't leave notification on my phone anyway. None of my app have notification. Notification is very distractive and too much things distracting us in life, making us overthink, making us cannot experience the present now. And this is very stressful and very painful life to live, to be honest. Dunia aka diale aka enjoyable when ni say mind keno in the present. This helped me a lot, to be honest. Even before I start this healing journey, I know how to bring my mind in the present when I want to. I've never as somebody that cannot do without their phone 24 hours. I can put it away and listen to. So yeah, guys, sorry, keep cutting. So now left a whole full video can explain like a meditation kind of video in Mandinka. Ala comment below bakela on my YouTube channel Alsa Jube J because now following a while ago left a meditation introduced in the community. So I want to start with Mandinka and then move to Wolof and hopefully move to English as well on my YouTube channel. But yeah, here I'll be doing little videos like this. Purka also talk about calming the mind, emptying the mind, and healing your pain, or just having a more happy, joyful life with using learning how to minimize your stress and having more hope and belief for yourself and for the universe. So yeah, guys, just try emptying the mind and try having hope and belief for yourself and the universe. And yeah, it's a good start. You got nothing to lose. So bye, Jilakotake, inshallah, and bye.
Family,
No, I don't get to.
Papa,
I don't get to.
Mama,
I don't get to.
brother,
I don't get to.
sister,
I don't get.
friends.
I don't even get the friends at all.
Sisters, what is y'all doing? Fatima, Mariam, Zainab, what is y'all doing? Y'all cannot be on Instagram like this. Bismillah. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah. Got us on IG looking at you all holy. You got Quran verses as captions on your pictures. The Ramadan calendar in your bio, all holy on Instagram. The best Muslimer. Then on Saturday night, I see you like this. Oh, and then the funniest part, when we catch y'all in the club, y'all be acting like y'all don't know us, like, nigga. Fatima?
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How you all doing? Wishing you all happy weekend. Just want to pop in here and say this quick message that sometime in life, certain questions that we want answers for might just never have the answer, sadly, or the answer will not be the kind of answer that we want. As much as we want knowledge and we want to have answer for everything as a human being, certain things just don't have answer. That's just how it is. And learning how to get on with it is going to change your life. Well, it does with me. So I just want to say that let us just learn how to just get on with things sometimes, even if we don't have the answers, because certain answers we don't need them because they can ruin us or just change everything. So please, if you're looking for answers for something and you never have the answer, don't let it ruin your life. Just get on with it and you'll be fine. Wishing us all happy weekend and yeah, see you again. Bye. Assalamu alaikum bokki. Himdillah. Barikalla. Dikkatina. wax loo xam def loo xam boo tëddee nelaw su may waxolam laa dee gën a fiix ok tey lu ma bëgg a wax mooy foog naa dina nekk ñaari vidéo so yeah parce que vidéo yi dañ gaaw so su leen bii rawee su bii paree ngeen wut beneen bi tey lu ma bëgg a wax mooy àdduna yéen ñi dañuy xam yu bari yoo xam ne nam métti nañu ñu dund ko wala nit def nañu ko wala just neexut ñu bëgg a xam lu tax lii xam wala just àdduna bi nu muy demee wala dara rek nga bëgg a xam dara lii nii naka la ak nan la yenn laajte yi nga bëgg a xam doo mus a xam li nga bëgg a xam wala soo ko xamee daf lay lor parce que ba tey du ni nga bëgg mu demee noonu la demee kon nag yenn laajte boo ko xamee sa xel mi te xamoo ansa bi xamoo tontu gi is better nga jàng nooy just muufee on nga muñ nga bàyyi ko noonu rek nga muufoon doo sin mata xam nga tontu bi on not dal na la ba pare lu xew la waaw lu ma doon wax fële par mu dog rek mooy ñun doomu Adama Njaay suñu xel mi nu mu bindoo dafa mën a laajte te doomu Adama Njaay xelam duy doylu duy satisfy mbooleem lu mu xam rek dafay bugg a xam leneen mbooleem lu mu xam rek dafay bugg a xam leneen kon nag buñ nangu suñu xel mi yenn yi xalaat bu bëri bu nga xam ne nii naqadu àdduna wala àdduna luñ dund dana daf ñu koy defloo dafay tax ñu bugg a xam ay ansa ñu xam so many things luñ bugg a xam ansa foo te yenn ansa yi boo ko xamee daf lay gën a lor rek waxuma ne bu kenn wut knowledge bu kenn xam the answer to certain things but xam na yenn yoo xam ne knowledge bi soo ko xamee léegi lu mu lay jëriñ honestly lu mu lay jëriñ so please jàngal rek nga bàyyi ko nga move on life is gonna get better soo jàngee nga let go nga move on nga just dund nga just relax nga dund because àdduna bii nii xamul looy munti def ba happy soo xamul nooy relaxé fu mu jaar rek ñu jàng nu ñuy relaxé doylu si àdduna bi doylu si ni mu mel doylu si luñ xam and dinañ mën a dund bu baax incha allah. Hello, assalamu alaikum badi mandinko. New video is about coming for in Wolof and English. Mbe quick la nga try nga for in mandinka. Na tara ko be mang dan xawma naka kunyim video be part 2 kela. So yeah, new video is just to help us. Some of you know that I'm on my healing journey. So this is Friday healing tips. So sometime in life, God na mandinko. Sometime in life, certain things we along control ka ansa nyini. Ka nyini. Komi kudo ye kudo balu wala kudo be caring wala just ilata kuola answer lonna. Answer dol akela life tinyale. Warrante you will never have the right answer. So it's good sometimes nintol be kuo nyini kan answer dol nyini kan nintol masodo. It's good sometimes to give up and just get on with it. Especially when it's something me along I it's in the past like a tambitale. Hanini answer sort of sign. Mune be kela wo answer be mune jarala. Especially natara something me. Guys, sorry in video kuntuta. So yeah, life is all about ite ya jube ilafita life mimbalula ya long ye honest about it ye focus on it. But natara ite ko life different jama ilafta wala triala wala life different things ilafta wala right answer sotola. Certain things iba follow la wasting your energy on it and you can never get the answers, or when you get it, it will not be the answers you want. Certain answers, when you get it, it can actually ruin you more than before you even get the answers. And sometimes we spend all our life looking for certain answers that we will never, ever get. Or we will never get the right one. So please, guys, new message is just punctually learn how to relax and enjoy life and focus for the future. And just learn to appreciate where we are now. The most important thing about life is learn to be happy and appreciate where you are now so that you can live longer and happy and be more positive. Good luck for all of us and yeah, have a good weekend. Bye. The whole world can distrust you. The whole world can call you name, call you your past. That's not gonna harm you. What's gonna harm you is you buying into that. You distrusting yourself. calling yourself your past, you labeling yourself. What helped me with my healing journey is to stop saying that I have anxiety or this happened to me, that's why I behave like this or think like this. I stopped saying that and just call myself what I am, a living human being, enjoying life the way it is now, appreciating what I have, appreciating my whole existence, thanking God and thanking myself for the things that I went through and achieved and continuing to achieve. Thanking my whole existence for the things that I have, my children and other things. Please, guys, let's understand that if we want to heal, we cannot keep calling ourselves, I have anxiety, I have... Hello, guys. Assalamu alaikum. I just logged into my Facebook again. And here you go, the hell videos again attacking us. Today is Friday, guys. I just want to remind us Muslims that I don't normally share these hell videos, because if I cannot see heaven video to share, I will not be sharing hell videos. Sometimes the way us Africans do every Friday, us African Muslims, it's not really helping the community. Can't we see that? Every Friday we just attacking these hell videos. It's so funny and kind of like blackmailing in a way that why we're not seeing the heaven videos, We all know that there's hell and there's heaven. We have to do good so we can go to Jannah. But if you keep showing us hell videos, creating your own hell videos, and cannot create your own heaven videos, is it not like you're kind of blackmailing us? Maybe you're trying to help us in a blackmailing way. So please, let's hello, assalamu alaikum badingol. Ntenata minyini ka wolem. Mune yatina. Amari minu kanyi jahana madimba video dada. Abuka arjana video dada. Ha! Netara alnene arjana video ji ala fonye. Arjumo ni dunta Facebook nyin jahanama dimba video. Ngalo nen tol mo fingol blackmail asiyatan tol la community. Bari nyin din ni muslim la din. Mol ka fole ko aka blackmail soto. So nin tol la fita kanyim blackmail to bondije. Fon tol ya bula kanyin jahanama video ki molye ka ki on Facebook arjumalu. Ni man arjana video ki arjana video ni jahanama video kenyo la banya ki ni wonten abula because nying attaque la moye ke betema mo na be bete yala fana asa long mune atina abe bete yala not just ya long mune atina e manyana bete yala but ni bete yata whatever mane salam alaikum himdillah barikalla mande jaxleti rek nit ñi la nga xamne bu hajuma joté ñu diré ko di sédo video jahanama yile mo video jahanama yile ki koy defar kumdo ki day soxodna ki du mëna defar video yi hajjanam li de yag na ko xultu ci Facebook ba nit ñi di ma rehat yile may def video yépp way li du caaxande ku mëna tok defar video yi jahanama defar nit ñi neurmelu ci jahanama ja di daanu defar malaaka yi xëc nit ñi ñu def taati neen mu di leen diri man nga defar hajjana ja nit ñi ne noñi ci ron mango ya bok way nit ñoo xane video yi jahanama rek hajuma yalla jëlé fimné bu ngeen jëlé video jahanama yile di ko dërërëré du tax nit ñi def lenn nit ko bëgguta ba ay video jahanama du ko defar fimné du ngeen defar video hajjana ngir yalla ndax nit ñi xam li tax ñuy baax luñ cey jëlé ha li dé jommal na ma la ilaha illallah